Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, an amazing platform for your daily life tech solutions. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can use ChatGPT for an essay writing. So let's say your teacher gave you an essay and you do not have any time or any knowledge about that particular topic. So you can use ChatGPT. So let's say we can ask ChatGPT for some topic ideas. So you can enter command. So you can see the topic mentions give me 5 topic ideas to write an essay about. So enter your prompt and just wait for a couple of moments and you will see there will be some topics. So you can see we have impact of social media on society, climate change, and so on and so forth. So you can simply copy one of these topics. Once you do so, enter it into your command prompt and add another prompt. After that, the impact of social media on society, write me an essay for about 400 words. Now you can customize these number of words as per your requirement, and once you do so, simply enter your prompt and wait for a couple of moments and you will be able to see that it will be generating an amazing and robust type of essay for you that you can represent. So you can see it is just generating an essay. You have your introduction, your body, and finally your conclusion. So you can see you have headings and all that stuff. So your job is done. I really hope you found this video informative. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.